Hello all, welcome. So now we can see about Python introduction. What is Python? Python is an high-level interrupted programming language known for its simplicity and readability. So you can see like some other programming language will have large amount of syntax need to be write to do the simple activity. But here you can see we can write a simple line of syntax, so which can very simplicity to for the programmers. So it follows object oriented and general purpose approaches designed to be easy to learn. So Python is very easy to learn as well, and also it's and powerful enough for the professional software development. And who is invented Python? So Python is invented by Gudwan Rosam, so in the year of 1989, and it was released in the year of 1991. So this is a place like Centrum Victorine. So he's a Netherlands person, and there he has released the Python. So reason for creation, good one, wanted a language that was easy to read and write like an English. So you can see some other programming language somewhat while you are seeing it. It feels some complexity, but if you are looking into Python programming language, it was just you are reading the English language, and it was open source and very flexible. Could handle exceptions and the system administration task efficiently. And what are the key features of Python? So easy to learn and readable syntax. Interrupted language, no need to compile before running. Actually, compiler in sense, some of the programming language need to be compiled before running the code. So but while you are running the Python code, it automatically compile line by line and execute it line by line on the runtime itself. So dynamically typed, no need to declare variable types. So in here, if you want to declare any variable, you just give like a is equal to whatever the value. Like if you want to give a int, then the variable is considered as an integer. Or if you want to declare any string value, upsync, if you want to declare it in the variable, then it defaultly take the variable type as a string. So there is a no need to declare the variable type. So and it is an object oriented and functional, so supports class and functions as well. So if you want to use the codes repeatedly in some other places, you can use the class object methods, and you can also create functions for in Python. So extensive libraries, rich standard and third party modules. So cross platforms, you can also run Python in Windows, Mac OS, Linux, etc. And it is very open source and have a huge community for Python. So if you have any faced any errors, so there is a community for Python, and there you can see what are the, how can we resolve the problem, I mean errors, and what are the new features we can use in Python, like that you can explore more. And what are the applications and use cases? Let's see. Data science and analytical field is using Python, used for data analysis, visualization and machine learning purpose. So in Python, libraries are pandas, numpy, matplotlib, scikit-learn. So these packages were used for data science and analytical purpose. For web development, we are using some frameworks like Django, Flask, Fast API, etc. And it is used for developing dynamic web application and also for developing APIs as well. And automation and scripting automates repetitive systems or web tasks. So you can do automation for the repetitive activities. For example, file management, web scraping, testing, automation, like that. So if you want to extract any data from the any website for periodically, you can automate those scripts using Python as well. And Python is also used in the trending technologies like artificial intelligence and machine learning. core language for AI, ML, and deep learning is Python. Other languages is also used for these fields, but Python is mostly used for AI, ML, and deep learning. So libraries that are used for this activity is TensorFlow, PyTorch, Keras, and also Python is used in game development field. So the libraries which are used for game development or Pygame, Pandas 3D. Cybersecurity field also using Python and used for penetration testing, automation, and data analysis. Software development and prototyping used for build a desktop applications and quick prototypes. Like if you have created any tool and if you want to show any demo to the clients or some other persons, you can use a prototyping things. Like quickly you can create a UI using Python packages. There are some packages like Streamlit. It helps to create a quick UI for the Python application. And also there is some other packages for creating the desktop applications, that is very helpful in Python. So Internet of Things also using Python, used in IoT devices programming. So example, Raspberry API. Why Python is popular? Python is very beginner friendly syntax, and it has a huge community, integrates easily with other languages like C, C++, Java. So it has strong ecosystem for artificial intelligence, machine learning, and automations. So these are the introduction of Python. Thank you.